Lonzo Ball shines as Lakers beat Lauri Markkanen, struggling Bulls. Andrew D. Bernstein, Getty Images. The Los Angeles Lakers found a solution to their recent struggles, a matchup with the dismal Chicago Bulls. Los Angeles notched a 107-100 victory on Tuesday at the Staples Center and improved to 24-21 overall and just 4-7 in the 11 games since LeBron James was sidelined with a groin injury. The rebuilding Bulls lost their 8th straight and fell to 10-34. Lonzo Ball, 19 points, 8 rebounds and 6 assists, Brandon Ingram, 16 points, 9 rebounds and 7 assists, and Kyle Kuzma, 16 points and 12 boards, stuffed the stat sheet for the Lakers, while Lauri Markkanen countered with 17 points for Chicago. Steph is a few shots away from NBA three-point history. Can Harden keep his dominance going? Steph gifts fan who asked for girls' UA kicks with new Curry sixes. Happy 34th birthday to LeBron Crown. 4 years ago, Kobe passed Jordan on the NBA scoring list. Drummond and Embiid reignite rivalry. Happy 24th birthday to Giannis Antetokounmpo. D. Rose turned back the clock and put up 50. Dubs trolled Fergie so hard it became a challenge. CP3 Rondo blow-up was a long time coming. NBA let players know they have to cover branded tattoos. The NBA is back and the soccer world is pumped. Boban is back to break it down for another season. Players battle campers in rivalry of the summer. Happy 30th to KD. Andrew Bynum is making an NBA comeback. Kobe's hottest kicks athletic shoe. The Kyrie IT trade shook the NBA 1 year ago today. Dykeman courts are the red carpet of streetball. Giannis' youngest brother could be the true Greek freak. Young Lakers LeBron less struggles prove help won't be coming to LA. Tuesday was the perfect opportunity for a Lakers team in desperate need of a win to come out strong at home against one of the worst teams